Now I'm on top of the mountain. It's very beautiful. I like to go this kind of place. I love nature. I really like to try this one, but I feel that I'm very heavy for this. Wow. Guys, I'm here. I'm going to try.
Questo è troppo grande.
Sì. These trees are all chestnut trees, but it's not ready yet. You see on the ground is full of them, and for example this one, you should open inside and the nuts is inside. I think that's why they're calling it chestnuts. These are chestnuts. See? Why? Oh my god. those are chestnuts that you should put it on fire and becomes really delicious. For me, the taste seems like potatoes.